How you doing, people? Hope you're well. My name's Duncan Walsh. I'm just going to be doing 20 minutes worth of Navy SEALs while I have a bit of a chat in the voiceover. Okay, let's do it.
Okay, so I just wanted to give you a couple of lower back tips, hacks, stretches, whatever you want to call them, that I find works really well, but I had to get a workout in as well. So I thought, well, I'll kill two birds with one stone. This was just a 20-minute Navy SEALs session, sort of fairly mediocre really today for me at the moment. So afterwards I overloaded with another 5 minutes worth at as good an intensity as I could, and then did some plyometric jumps just to finish me off. But I won't show you all of that. The score on these today was about 138, but like I say, overloaded a bit, so hopefully it'll be a bit better next time. Anyway, back to the lower back. The first tip has been working quite well for my wife actually, who's developed a little bit of a lower back issue. It's amazing how many of these things come on when you're sat at a desk in a not ideal position, and before you know it you've got a little bit of pinching in your lower left or lower right sometimes, and if you're not careful the pinching becomes quite persistent. So this first tip my wife's actually been doing and has found it does work, and it's related to the dead hang, but she's not someone who has done the dead hang really before. So the tip is hanging from a door frame. Well, you're not really hanging, your feet are still on the ground, but you can just relax your lower body enough to get a feeling of a pull. So it doesn't have quite as strong effect as a full dead hang, but it does definitely work if you can try and maintain it for about a minute. It can be a bit painful on the fingers, so you might have to do it in a couple of rounds, but it definitely does give a temporary relief. But the more often you do it through the course of a day, the more often that temporary relief can persist, and it's just all great decompression of the spine. The second tip is a stretch, and it's related to the glutes. And what I found is that if you have tight glutes, it can just pull on all of that area around the lower back, pelvis. And what I found is if you have a really good glute stretch, it can relieve that area, and this is the best one I've found. So this is the right leg, cross your right leg over your left, pull your foot as far up towards your body as you can, and then use your other arm to stretch your leg across the other way. You'll know what I mean because you'll immediately feel all your glutes being stretched. The trick is holding it for a good period of time. If you can hold it for a minute, 2 minutes, maybe even 3 minutes, it'll really loosen up that area. Then the other leg, same again, bring your foot up as far as you can, use your other arm to stretch the knee across the other way, and it's just a very good release of that area. There is another tip as well, which I'll put a link to in the top right of the screen here, which is to a video I did, again related to releasing the glutes. Works fantastically well. I do it now after every training session, and it really targets any deep stiffness around the glutes. So that was it today. Keep an eye out for my free download, which is a PDF of loads of fitness tips, hacks, body maintenance tips, physiological, psychological tips related to training and keeping yourself in one piece basically. Should be available this week. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.